Hello, just going to show you our 1 minute recording module. This has got to be our easiest model of recording modules to use. We also sell blank greeting cards if you don't already have to install one. We've got one here. We've added some double-sided tape already. I'm going to take the module off, line up the notches in the module with the greeting card, stick down, remove the liner of the double-sided tape, add a quick recording on just for the purpose of this video. Test 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2. So that's the saved. We don't need this button again because we're happy with the recording. So we'll cut that off. We'll close it up. Really leave it for a few seconds just so the double-sided tape sticks down well. As soon as I open it up, it should play. Test 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1 2. Test 1 2 1. That's it done. Thanks for watching.